What an incredible thing! I just dropped it in. Took my solar cover off, which was full of leaves, but look. It actually, yo, this thing is powerful. So it's moving around the pool. I am so impressed. I am so beyond impressed. We got rain the last couple of days too, and we are surrounded in trees. All right, so let's see. So we got a lot. Holy cow. I don't know if you can see in there, but there is a lot of stuff so far, so I think what it does, it like, boop, right in. Didn't stand a chance. This is incredible. This is incredible. And all you had to do was push the button. I've got it connected to the app so I can pick the cleaning mode because I don't want it to just sit in the corners. But super easy to connect, super easy to learn. It comes with this huge paper. I'll show you. Look, boom. It got it. All right. So it comes with this huge paper. This is so worth it.
It's gone now.
Go ahead. Off it goes. He's very strong.